So yeah, am I audible to everyone? Could you please say yes in the chat box if I am audible nicely, properly? Yes, good. So a tal patient. Okay. So let's begin today's session. Alupese amma. Okay, so before I start today's session, let me tell you that I have created a group, a WhatsApp group. I am sharing the link in the chat. So all of you can join that particular group so that it will be easy for me to track you all. So just give me 2 minutes time. I'm sharing the link with you. Yeah, so this is the WhatsApp group, so you all can join it. I have sent you the invite link on the chat, so try joining it. If any problem, let me know. Yeah, thank you all of you joining. So right now we have 15 participants. Wonderful. All of you can definitely invite your friends as well, those who need help in data structures, understanding Java, basic logics while writing programs, control flows. These all basic questions also many people have problem, so you can definitely help them, give them this link. They can join and they can also take the advantage. And coming to today's topics, we will go with some more questions on control flows to get more hands-on with control flows. So if you remember, yesterday we discussed two questions. The first question was sum of digits. The second question was the first question was Fibonacci series and the second question was sum of digits, correct? So today let's see some more questions. I also found out lot more questions. I am just adding these questions into the existing list. Yeah, around another 7-8 questions I just gathered from here and there, so I'm adding them here itself. Yeah, you can find them now. Just refresh the page and you will get the latest questions as well. So now let me know which question should I pick up first. Which question you all want me to pick up first? Question number, you go through the protected matrix question, Divyanshu Pandey says matrix. Okay, even before matrix I want to pick up some simpler questions. Divyanshu, definitely I'll pick up matrix. Let us go for matrices tomorrow. Today we will stick to pattern printings and some more questions. Okay, star printing, Ajay says star printing, yes. We will definitely solve a star printing question like pyramid, or even before that I have gathered some more questions on stars. These are more basic. First we will try to do this and then we can go for this pyramid printing. Pyramid printing needs a little bigger logic than this. Okay, this is the first question we have to solve, and then we can go for this printing stars of this shape, and then we can go for this pyramid, and then we can try all this out. That's fine. Even before that I want to solve something else. Yesterday the topic we discussed, the question we discussed, I want to ask you a question, little extension of that question. Yesterday I was telling that calculate the sum of digits in a given number, correct? For this we used the modulus operator and we used the divided by operator. By using these two and using a while loop, we solve this question. So today I want to make another question of similar type but little twist. Reverse the number, reverse the digits of a given number. You have to use almost the same concepts whatever I used in solving this question. You have to use the same concept to solve this question. I even mentioned this question in the list. You can see the question is mentioned somewhere here also. Write a program. Write a program to reverse an integer number. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? If the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll give you 2-3 minutes time. All of you think, and if you have a solution, just type a pseudocode solution and copy paste in the chat box. I want to see. Or even if you have some ideas, you can just type the ideas in the chat box. I want to see who is able to think to that extent. Take 2 minutes time. Take 2 minutes time. And try to frame a logic to solve this question. The question is, if a number is given to you, you should reverse the digits and print. You should reverse the digits and print that number. Not just print, you should create another variable with the reversed number. Not just print, you have to create another variable with the reversed number. So Chaitanya says, can we take help of strings? Yeah, definitely you can take help of strings, but that is a complex way of doing it. Converting a number to string, then converting it to character array, then reversing it, then again converting into string and converting it back to a number. It's a huge process, not required so much. Just use these 3 things and solve this question. What are the 3 things? Modulus operator, divided by operator, while loop. That's it. You need not use anything else. If reverse equal to true, no. Bhagya Desam, I think Bhagya Lakshmi, this is, no, that's not correct. Anyone else? Try to think of a solution to solve this question. If a number is given to you, say 1, 2, 3, 4, you should take that variable and you should create another variable which will store the number with reversed digits. The digits should be in reverse pattern. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, you should create a variable of value 4, 3, 2, 1. So how to do this? Yes? Anybody? Any ideas? Okay, enough of time. I am not getting any responses from people, so let me write the code myself. Class, say, let me call this reverse number. So class reverse number, public static void main string args. Okay, and let me first save this. I'll save this as reverse number.java. Yeah, saved it. So now, I am taking a long number, say long num is equal to 1 2 3 4 L represents long numbers, correct? We have to mention L as an extension to understand that it's a long number. So now I have to devise a logic which will reverse this particular number. No need to convert into string, no need to do anything such sophisticated things are not needed. We have to simply use modulus operator, divided by operator and while loop to solve this question. So let's start. Okay. First of all, we know that whenever we use a modulus operator on this number, modulus of 10, we will get the last digit 4. Correct? We will get the last digit 4. And whenever we use a divided by operator, we remove the last digit and we get 123 as the output. Correct? So let me start a while loop. While of num not equal to 0. While of num not equal to 0. And I will create another number, rev is equal to initially 0. Okay. So finally output should be there in this rev. Output should be there in this rev. So system dot out dot println of rev. So the final output should be there in the rev. In that you will get 4321 output. So the output here should be what? The output here should be 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now what to do? Long x, a temporary variable, is equal to num modulus 10. Long y is equal to num divided by 10. You know that long x equal to num modulus 10, x value will be how much? 4. And here x value will be how much? 123. Correct? So this is how this modulus operator and divided by operator work. Okay. Now I am removing these two. Now I will directly use rev is equal to rev into 10 plus num modulus of 10 and num is equal to num divided by 10. That's it. My logic is complete. My logic is complete. Rev is equal to rev into 10 plus num modulus 10 and num is equal to num by 10. So every time the loop runs, what am I doing is I am removing the last digit of this number until it becomes 0. So first time when the loop runs 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will, while loop will check whether num is 0 or not. No, num is not 0. Right now num's value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1234. Now initially the value of rev is how much? 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus num modulus of 10. Num modulus of 10 will give me 4. Num modulus of 10 will give me 4. So the output for rev is 4. Right now in the first iteration, the value of rev is how much? 4. Okay. And what will be num here? Num will be 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, that is 123 in the first iteration. Now again it will go and check the while loop condition. 1, 2, 3 not equal to 0. True. It came inside. Correct? It came inside. Now rev is equal to rev into 10. What is the value of rev previously? 4. 4 into 10 plus num modulus of 10. Right now the value of num is how much? 123. So 123 modulus 10 will give me how much? 3. Correct? The last digit will be extracted. So now 4 into 10 is 40 plus 3, 43. In the next iteration, the value of rev becomes 43 and num is again reduced by 1 digit. The last digit is removed. Now it is 12. Correct? Now again it will go for the while loop condition check. 12 not equal to 0. True. Now again it entered inside. And this time rev is equal to value of rev in the previous loop was 43. So 43 into 10 plus num modulus of 10. Num modulus of 10 now will give me 2. 112 modulus of 10 will give me how much? 2. So that is how much? 43 into 10 is 430, 432. Are you seeing? Are you seeing what is happening? 1, 2, 3, 4 number is slowly 4, 43, 432. It is getting reverted. It is getting reversed. Just observe, it is getting reversed. My logic is working fantastically. And now num is again divided by 10. I am left with 1. I am left with what? I am left with 1. Now again while loop condition will be checked. While num not equal to 0, 1 is not equal to 0, again true. It again enters inside, and now again rev value will be calculated. 432 into 10 plus num modulus 10. Num value was 1, 1 modulus 10 will be 1, and now I get output 4321. Now I get the value 4321. Are you seeing? Now I am getting the value 4321. I got the answer almost, hai na? But still the loop didn't end. Let us go ahead and see how the loop ends. How the loop ends. Let's see that. Now you see. Yeah. So now num is equal to 1 divided by 0 and it becomes 0, and now when the condition is checked, the num 0 not equal to 0 false. It comes out and it prints the value of rep. Got it? Did you all get the concept? Yes. Angad has given a solution. While n greater than 0, a equal to n modulus 10, s equal to s plus a. Okay. He is using a string concept here. Fine. Yeah, even this will work out. No issues. But finally, I wanted to create a number variable, a long variable, not a string variable. Fine. You are going to give me the same output. No issues. But I just wanted to show without using string. Thanks a lot, Angad. This is fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah. Did everyone get this solution? Did everyone get the solution? Yes or no? Quickly tell me. Yes. No. Jaldi. Yes. Okay. Anybody has any doubt in this? Anyone has any doubt left in this? No, right? Everyone almost got the solution. So now let us compile and check whether it works really or not. Let's go to where is it? On desktop? No, in the D drive. I kept it in the D drive. In the rev, or where is it? Which folder? DSC classes. Correct. So let me type cmd here. We get Java C reverse number dot Java. Yes, Java reverse number. 4321 is the output. It's working fantastic. Hai, we got the output perfectly. All right. Got the solution to this question? So let me copy paste this solution here. Assignment basics. Where is the question? Yeah, here. Yeah. Now this was one question which I wanted to discuss before I proceed ahead. Now I hope you are clear with how to use a modulus operator and how to use a divided by operator. Correct? Now let's go for pattern printing questions. First pattern printing question, a basic question of pattern printing. Let me take this. A basic question of pattern printing. Let us try to solve this question. Pattern1.java. Okay. I will first show how to solve a pattern printing question, and next question I will give you 2-3 minutes time to think for a logic. So class pattern1 public static void main string args. So now I have to print a pyramid like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. But how many lines to print, that user should tell me. Okay, so let me take a scanner. S is equal to new scanner system.in and int I is equal to s dot next int. Okay, I will take the input from the user. I will write system.out.println, enter how many lines you want. Please enter. I am asking the user, and the user is giving the input s dot next int. And now I have to write a loop for int. Let me call this some x. Okay, because I use I regularly in the for loop. Int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. Okay, so this loop is going to run how many times? This loop is going to run x number of times. If x is 5, this loop will run 5 times, because I have to print 5 lines, right? This loop will run 5 times. But this loop is going to run 5 times, but I have to write one more logic to print these numbers 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to print these numbers. For that, I will write one more logic, for loop inside for loop, a for loop inside for loop. And here I will take int j is equal to 1 and j less than equal to I, j plus plus. And here I will write system dot out dot print. I will write only print, not println. Println will enter a new line also at the end. I don't want to immediately come down. I want to print 1 and 2 and 3 in the same line. So only print. So here let me write j. That's it. And once this for loop ends, I will write system.out.println. This will print a new line. That's it. My code is complete. Now let me show you how this will look like. Java C pattern1.java. Okay, scanner is not included, I'm sorry. So import java.util.scanner, Java C pattern1.java. System.out.println. System does not exist. Oh, sorry, system spelling wrong. System spelling mistake. Java C pattern. Yes, Java pattern 1. Enter how many lines you want. I want 7 lines. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get it? Again, let's try one more time. Enter how many lines you want. I want only 2 lines. 1, 1, 2. That's it. Again, how many lines you want? I want 9 lines. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. How many lines you want? I want only 1 line. Output is only 1. Getting? So my code is working perfectly fine. I am getting output for all the possible solutions, all the possible inputs. Clear? So this is how a pattern printing program is written. A pattern printing logic is created. Now my question to you is, I'll make a small modification in the same question and you try to think of a solution to this. I hope everyone understood for loop inside for loop, because one for loop is to come down. The outer for loop is to print every statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for loop is to come down. Another for loop is to go right. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So who is deciding whether to print till 1 or 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3? This condition is deciding. J less than equal to I. Here if I write j less than equal to x, what will happen? Every line you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the logic which is making me print exactly first line 1 time, second line 1, 2, third line 1, 2, 3 is this particular condition. J less than equal to I, because in the first iteration I value is 1, So j equal to 1, j less than equal to 1. Only one time it will be printed, j value. In the second loop, I plus plus, i's value will be 2, correct? And that time j will start from 1 and j will be printed till 2, 1, 2. In the third iteration, I value will be 3, j will start from 1 and j less than equal to 3, 1, 2, 3 will be printed. In the fourth iteration, I will start from 1 and I will go till, i's value is 4, so this will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So who is the delimiter? I is the delimiter for j. That's how I am using an inner for loop to print the values as per the requirement. Now my little modified question for you is, a little modified question for you is, a little modified question for you is 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. Yes, this is a question for you. Okay, can you tell me how to solve this question? If the input is if the input is 4, your output should be 1 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. If the input is 9, it should print like this 9 times. Got it? I hope things are clear. Can you tell me a solution? Very simple question. Very simple question. What modification should be done in this for loop? What modification should be done in these for loops to get that solution? Observe this carefully. What modification should be done in this particular for loops? You need not write separate code. This code is enough. Only thing is you have to change some condition somewhere. That's it. And you will achieve this solution. Can you tell me? J will begin from X and J minus minus. Friend, Ritu, they almost correct, but still there is a mistake. But yes, your thinking is, you are thinking in the right direction. You are able to think in the right direction. Can someone else tell me? Ritu has given a good guess. Anyone else? Ritu De has guessed it almost right, but there is a mistake in her guess. Ritu, can you think? What is the mistake? Okay, let me implement what Ritu says, then you will understand. J will start from X and she says J is greater than equal to I and J minus minus, or greater than equal to 1 and J minus minus. Now if I compile this code, you will understand the problem. Java C pattern 1, Java pattern 1, how many lines? I want 5 lines. Ritu, did you get the problem with your answer? Did you understand what is the problem? Yes. So tell me, Ritu, what is the correction? What should be the correction? At least one wonderful thing is you are getting the numbers in reverse order. Fantastic. But I want only what? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So again look at this logic. Again look at this logic. Tell me, what should be the correction? What should be the correction? J will run till I. Okay, Ritu made another mistake, but better mistake. Wonderful. Ritu made another mistake, but it's much better mistake. Now you will understand what is Ritu's mistake. Good, Ritu. At least you are trying. You will learn very fast. I am telling you, if you continue like this, you will learn very fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4 and 5. You got some pyramid kind of shape. Good. Tarun Kumar says J greater than equal to I. No, that's a mistake. You have to print. Tarun and Ritu, observe carefully. I'll tell you what mistake you are doing. How I want the output? In every output I want 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In every output I want till 1. If I will keep j less than greater than equal to I, it will not print till 1, right? That's a mistake. Definitely I want 1 here. Definitely I want to print till 1. The problem is here. The problem is here. The initialization itself is the problem, not the condition. No, sorry. Ritu, you are wrong. J less than equal to I will give a big error. That's not correct. No, not less than also. I'm telling you, this is perfect. This condition is perfect. J greater than equal to 1 is perfect. I want to print till 1 in all these lines. I want to print till 1 in all these lines. Someone else please guess. Angad. Yes. Sudhanand. Anandam. Wonderful Anandam, you got the answer. Perfect. J is equal to I. That's it. Now you go and run the loop. Got the output right? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Anandam gave a right answer. The only condition change was initialization. J is equal to I, not X. See, if you will keep X na, X value is constant. X value is given by the user. X value, say in my case I am giving 5. So in every loop, J's value will start from 5. Is that the requirement? See, in every loop is J starting from 5? No, right? Only the last value, last line J starts from 5. Before that it starts from 4, 3, 2, 1. So J value cannot be a constant. It has to be I, because I value in first loop is 1, second loop is 2, third loop is 3, fourth loop is 4, fifth loop is 5. I is incrementing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until where should I print? I should print till 1. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how this for loop is printing the values. I hope the question is clear to all of you. If the solution is clear to everyone, say yes if you understood. Clear. Chaitanya says clear. What about others? There are almost 17 participants. Yes. Divyanshu could understand. Bhagilakshmi could understand. Tarun could understand. Sai Rakha could understand. Jabardasti understand or really understand? Let me give you one more question. I'll give you one more question, okay? I'll name this as pattern 2.java and let me call this 2. So this was our second question. Now let us come to pattern 3. Pattern 3.java. By the end of this class, I am sure you will get some good understanding on patterns. So my next pattern is something like this. Let's not do this also. First let's solve this.
Hello?
Shh.
Cheppu.
Shh.
వచ్చారు ఇప్పుడే వచ్చారు వస్తున్నారు
Hello?
Yeah, so this is the question. Think of a solution. Very simple. If you could print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you can definitely print this. Think of a solution quickly, fatamat. Same as question 1. Very good. Can you quickly write a solution for this in laptop and send me? Can someone quickly write the solution, whatever you are thinking, same as first one, write fatafat, you write the two for loops, for loop outside, for loop inside, and paste in the chat box. I want to see who can write. Jaldi. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Think. Oh, got a solution. Let's see. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this is the outer loop. Okay, fine. But what are you printing? This is the outer loop. What about the inner loop? Tarun Kumar, what is the inner loop? Arey wow, who is this Angad? Pyramid of stars. Angad, I guess your solution will give me ulta answer. Your solution will give me just a minute, let me cross check. I equal to 0. So first time is okay 0, second time is 1 time, third time is 2 times, fourth time is 3 times. Perfect. aa jayega. Correct answer. But still you have unnecessarily complicated things. Why did you use j minus minus? You could have solved this question using j plus plus only, na? I got it. You got this solution somewhere from net and you simply copy pasted. Why did you comment the first part? Got it. Angad has solved this question, whatever I gave him himself, है ना? Oh yes, I got. You solved that earlier question and now you tried to implement this smaller question. Okay, thank you Angad, thanks a lot. For integer I equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. For int j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus, SOP star. Chaitanya, perfect answer. Ritu Pandey, I equal to 1, I less than equal to user input, I plus plus. For j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus, C out. Ritu is using C plus plus. Okay, perfect answer. Correct answer, Ritu. Good. So let's quickly write the code. So what is it? So let me copy paste the first one first. I'll take the first one here. Copy paste. So here I'll call this as pattern 3. Here I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, and j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Instead of printing j, I will print star. Simple. I will print star. That's it. Nothing else. So if you go and run this code, java c pattern 3 dot java pattern 3. Enter how many lines? 5 lines. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go back to the previous question. The actual question. The actual question is something like this. Yeah. So this is the actual question. So let me create another pattern 4.java. Yeah, so this is the question. Now tell me how to solve this. Angad already has the solution, so Angad already has the solution. Angad has already posted the solution also. Only thing is he commented some lines, that's it. I equal to 0, I less than j, I plus plus. What is j here, Ajay? What is j? No, j is wrong. Okay, let me not waste time. Fatapat write the solution. I guess most of you understood how to go further. You know? Pattern printing questions are now almost clear to all of you, in my opinion. So So I need two for loops. I need two for loops. This is first for loop. This is first for loop. This is second for loop. This is second for loop. So in the second for loop, J has to print in ulta, na? J has to print first more, then less, then finally it should print less. So can I write here x minus I? Very simple. Just think, can I write x minus I here? So let me try to run this and see if it works. I'm not sure. Pattern 4 dot Java pattern 4 could not find or load main class. Oh sorry, what happened? Okay, sorry, pattern 4 is not Java C pattern 4 and Java pattern 5 lines. Yes, got the output. See, just a small change in the solution, previous solution, and I got the solution. I simply ran the loop from j equal to 1 to j less than equal to x minus I, है ना? I करने से छोटा वैल्यू आता है, x minus I करने से उल्टा वैल्यू आता है. Correct? Got it? Anybody clear? Clear with the solution? Clear. Chaitanya is clear. Good. So let's move ahead. So we solved some pattern printing problems. So now let us take this question, a bigger problem. So let me save this as pattern 5.java, and the question is, write a program to print this following output. Please take care of the output. Most of you may think, अरे हाँ, let me do something like this, ऐसा कर देंगे. No, this is not the output I want. I want this output. I want this output. I hope my question is clear to everyone. I want the spaces also here. See, there are some spaces. So while printing, you have to print the spaces also. Print the spaces also. Okay? Yeah, so this should be the output. Let me give you a hint. 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. This is fine. What about the spaces? See how many spaces are there? 1. So here exactly 4 spaces are there. Here 3 spaces are there. Here 2. Here 1 and here 0. The spaces are decrementing. The number of spaces are decrementing and these numbers are incrementing. Ideally, I should have given you first this problem. Those who feel the above question is difficult, you start with this question first. You start with this question first. Okay? Those who feel the above question is difficult, you can try this question first. Print stars. If someone is able to do this, then a little bigger logic will give you this output. If someone is feeling that this question is difficult, no worries. First try out this question. This question first. And once this pyramid of stars is complete, then go and print this. Any logics? Any guesses? Any guesses? Ritu, Tarun, Chaitanya, Akib, Angad. Any guesses? How to solve this question? Okay, try out the star question first. Try out this question first. ये बाद में करेंगे, पहले ये कर लो. Stars print करा दो with spaces. When in interview people ask you pyramid of stars, pyramid doesn't look like this. Pyramid doesn't look like this. Pyramid, this is not a pyramid. Pyramid is this. Pyramid looks like this. Remember, if you simply answer this much, this is a very simple code, anybody can answer. They are looking out for this kind of a pyramid. Remember, in interviews, yeah, there is an output from Angad, pyramid of stars. Yes. J equal to 0, j less than n minus I, j plus plus. Yes. So slowly the stars are, the spaces are decrementing. Wonderful. And then you are printing the stars. J equal to ij starting from I. Okay, j starting from 1, j greater than equal to 0. First time it will print 1 time, second time it will print how many times? There is a mistake. Let me take this code and run for you. You will understand the mistake. There is a mistake. Angad, in my opinion, there is definitely a mistake in this. For Angad's pleasure, let me copy this code here. Pyramid of stars. Package. Let me comment this package. Okay, I'm saving this, and I saved it in pattern5.java, java c pattern 5.java, public class. Okay, sorry, let's remove this public. Compile fine. Java pyramid of a star. Pyramid of star. There is no output at all. There is no output at all. That means it is an infinite loop. It is not ending. It is not ending at all. There is an infinite loop. Okay. I have to enter. Sorry. Java pyramid of stars. Enter 5. This is not the output I wanted. This is not the output I wanted. Is it same? Angad, please check. Is it same? Is this the same output I am asking you? No, right? This is different. That is different. This is also wonderful, very beautiful output. Actually, ऊपर वाला एक भी print नहीं हुआ. There is some mistake in your code. ऊपर वाला एक भी नहीं print हो रहा है. So be careful, and you can make some corrections in this code. Meanwhile, let me check if somebody else tried out. Second code check. Okay, he has made some improvements. Let me see second code. Meanwhile, others also keep trying. Don't stop trying. Try the stars one only first. Try the stars one first. What is this name? Pyramid of star. Alright, I guess name is wrong. Pyramid of star. Correct only. Did I save this? Yeah, I saved it. Let me recompile. Java C pattern 5.java. Java pyramid of star. Yeah. Pyramid of star. Could not find our lower main class. What is happening? dir pyramid of star dot class. Pyramid of star dot class. That's what I'm trying to print it. Java pyramid of star. Array? What nonsense. Okay, package. No, Angad, still wrong. You are Angad, still wrong. Why wrong? You printed a pyramid. But this is not the pyramid I wanted. My pyramid was different. I'll tell you the difference. I'll copy paste your pyramid here, you will understand the difference. In your pyramid, first line is 1, second line is 2. Just see this. What is the difference? In my pyramid, first line 1, second line 3, third line 5, next line is 7. Only odd numbers are getting printed, even numbers not getting printed. In your case, they are incrementing only by 1. In my case, they are incrementing by 2. And there is no space in between. I did not keep any space between the stars. Small improvements required. J equal to J plus 2. Ritu Dek. Perfect answer. J equal to J plus 2. Let me change the code now. So J is equal to J plus 2. This is a pyramid of stars, right? In your case, I will do J equal to J minus 2. But why are we doing this? That would be a much better option actually. Still, let me try. Java C pattern 5.java. Java pyramid of star. Enter 5. No, wrong answer. Actually, just a minute. Laptop battery connect करना है मुझे. Okay, let me not waste time. I will write this code myself. Let me remove everything. Let me write this code myself. Okay, so that all will have clarity. Class pyramid public static void main string args. Okay, so scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in system.out println enter number of lines. I want input from the user, so I will take the input from the user. S dot next int. I have taken the input from user and I will store it in x. int x equal to s dot int. Now my for loop starts. For int I is equal to 1. In this pattern printing problems, better not start I from 0, you will be confused. My suggestion is always started from 1. Always started from 1 only, because at least you have to print 1 star, right? At least you have to print 1 line, right? So better keep it from 1 only, so that you will be in sync. You can also do it with 0 with some modifications, but better to keep it 1. It will be clear. So int I equal to 1, you have to print how many number of lines? You have to print exactly x number of lines, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. Now I am going to print how many lines? X number of lines. But now the actual logic starts. Before printing any star, I have to first print the spaces. First, in every line, first spaces, second stars. Correct? First think about a logic for the spaces. Now let me. So first there should be how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 and a star. Second time 1, 2, 3 and 3 stars. 1, 2 and 5 stars. 1 and 7 stars. No space and these many stars. Correct? So if I have to print 5 lines, how many spaces are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the number of spaces start from 4. If x is 5, the number of spaces start from 4. That means the number of spaces should start from x minus 1. Correct? So for int j is equal to x minus I minus 1. Why did I put I here? Because when I increments from 1, or else I can keep j equal to x minus I, j greater than equal to 1, j plus plus, and print system dot out dot print a space. That's it. Print a space. That's it. So every time, first time x value is 5 and I value is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So it starts from 4 and it prints till 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 times it will print. So next time I value will be 2. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. So it starts from 3, 2, 1. Next time it will become 2, 1. Next time it will become 1. And last it will print 0. In the last line it will print how many times? 0 times. So this is the logic for spaces. Now I have to print stars. Int j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus equal to 2. There is a mistake here. J is equal to 1, but j is not less than equal to I. J is not less than equal to I. Because in the second line I have to print 3 times. In the third line I have to print 5 times. In the fourth line I have to print 7 times. So it should be 2 into I minus 1. 2 into I minus 1. Or I can keep the condition something like this. J starts from 1. J less than 2 into I. So first time it will be j less than 2. That means 1 time. In the second case, okay, j should simply iterate j plus plus 1. System dot out dot println print of star. And finally I will write system dot out dot print ln. This is for a new line. This is for making a new line. That's it. I guess my code is ready. Java C pattern 5.java. There is an error. Yeah, import statements are missing. Import java.util.scan. sorry. Java pyramid. Enter number of lines. I want 5 lines. Oh my god, there is an error in my code. There is an error in my code. It is printing infinite times. There is an error in my code. Can someone tell me where is the error? X equal to s, I is equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus. Fine. J equal to x minus I. This is the error. This is the error. This is the error. That's it. That's it. Got the output. So see, even I was not aware of how to solve this problem initially. I also didn't remember. I was experimenting. Ritu, sorry, j equal to j plus 2 is wrong answer. I thought like that, but it's wrong. j equal to j plus 2 नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें पूरा प्रिंट करना चाहिए 1 3 5. तो हमें डिलिमिटर को बदलना है, लेकिन इंक्रीमेंटेशन ऑपरेटर को नहीं बदलना है. इंक्रीमेंटेशन एक 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 ही इंक्रीमेंट होगा. हमें वी हैव टू चेंज दिस कंडीशन हियर, दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन. हाउ मेनी यू वांट टू प्रिंट, दैट डिलिमिटर हैज टू बी चेंज्ड. Okay, this is the pattern 5. So yeah, today we have gone through so many kinds of patterns. I am sure many of you still have lot of doubts with patterns, I am sure. So don't worry, just go through all these 5 patterns. Just Google out some more different kinds of patterns. I didn't solve this problem yet, so this is your assignment. Do it yourself. Try this out. You have to use lot of your brains to solve this problem. I'll be very happy if any of you can solve this problem and show me tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll begin our class with this question: 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. This question. Okay. Tomorrow what are we going to study? Tomorrow we will see questions on arrays. Yes, and we will also see prime numbers. Arrays and prime numbers. Tomorrow we will only see single dimension arrays, one dimensional arrays, and lot of questions on one dimensional arrays. I am just making a list of many more questions on one dimensional arrays, and tomorrow we will see prime numbers. Okay, this is tomorrow's syllabus. Tomorrow we are going to cover these topics: single dimensional array and prime numbers. That's it. So today we covered what all topics? Today we covered especially patterns. We focused on patterns a lot. We understood how to use for loops, for loop inside a for loop, how to print, how to think of these conditions, how to increment, how to decrement, what should be the initial value. We have seen a lot of examples to get some basic idea. And please practice more and more today and tomorrow, so that tomorrow evening when you come for the class again at 8 p.m. you will be thorough with patterns. Okay, that's it for today. I have taken exactly 1 hour class. I'll close it now. Please ask your friends also to join this WhatsApp group.